Now we are entering the commands, and there are 3 different ways to enter in the commands. The first one, you click the commands buttons, and you just enter into the commands. And if you look at the command prompt, it gives you the hints. And so I'm going to specify first points, then it's actually specify the next points. You can keep going, drawing line, and how to execute these commands, and you can hit enter, or you hit escape. So this is the first one, and by clicking the button on the top. And the second one is you type into the command. That's the command line. And if you look at it, if I just type L, and if I just type L, and AutoCAD will try to guess what it tried to type, what command you're looking for. So, and you can type the command line and doing the same thing. To end the commands, you type spacebar or enter or escape. And the third way is typing the alias. It's a shortcut. And so the shortcut, the alias for line, it's L. So I can just type L and space or enter, first points, the next. So you can type, you can click the line button, you can type line, you can type alias L. And to enter the commands, it's enter or space. And to execute the commands to get out, it's also enter in space or escape. And to navigate in your model space, you can use the mouse wheel. If you hold down the mouse wheel key, you can pan left and right. Your cursor change to a hand, you can pan left and right. And or you can type P as a pan. Your cursor also change to a hand, you can pan left and right. But you are in the pan commands, you need to get out and you hit enter or space or escape. That's the pan. And to zoom in and out, we can just use the mouse wheel. And when you zoom really out, and if you couldn't find your drawings, and you can do the command zoom, and if you look at the prompt, you got some submenus. And so I want to zoom to the extents. So you can click the extents, or you type the first character, E, and enter, zoom extend to the furthest points of your drawing. So the command is zoom. or Z, and you can click extend, or you can type E. And so this is zoom extend. It's super helpful. And so that's navigating your model space. And so far, we are drawing, I just select a line. And if you look in the property of this line, and you will see all the like start points, end points, all in very generic kind of units. So we want to draw things to scale, and so we're not going to use generic units. So we need to set up units. To set up units, you can type units, or you can go to the big A application button and click and go to the drawing utility. Under the drawing utilities, that's units. So the second way is just type units. And let's close this. Units. Enter. And then you get into the drawing units windows. Now I'm in the type is decimal, so we want to change it to architectural. And let's leave precision as 1/16 and just hit OK. So now if I select my line, and now this line, if in architectural units, imperial units, will be 5 feet, 5 inches, and 15, 16 inches. So now I know I'm in the correct scale units. And if you work not in the States, in Asia, and probably you will use decimal. And under here, you probably will choose millimeters, centimeter, or meter. But let's keep consistent, and that's the architectural units. And